Hello children, you have done figures of speeches once. Many of them you have already covered. Today again we are going to do two more figures of speeches. They are climax and anticlimax. So we would start with climax. Climax is the agreement of a series of ideas in order of increasing importance. In climax, words, phrases, clauses or sentences are arranged in ascending order of importance, as in, look, up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Climax has the effect of building excitement and anticipation, out of the frying pan and into the fire. Some more examples. If you think that's bad, it gets worse, to infinity and beyond. Let a man acknowledge his obligations to himself, his family and his country. In climax, the incidents are arranged in such a sequence that the reader, the listener can imagine what could happen next. Therefore, we say that in climax, the words, phrases and clauses are arranged in ascending order. What would happen next is somewhat understood. Next is anticlimax. Anticlimax is the opposite of climax, a sudden descent from higher to lower. It is chiefly used for the purpose of satire or ridicule. Unlike climax, anticlimax is the arrangement of a series of words, phrases or clauses in order of descending importance. The fall is very abrupt and the effect often either intentionally or unintentionally humorous. I die, I faint, I fall is an example of anticlimax. If the same thing had to be in climax, the sequence would have been I fall, I faint, I die. But this is opposite of climax, therefore it is I die, I faint, I fall. Some more examples. He was a rogue, a liar, a trickster. The soldier fights for glory and a shilling a day. Another example is tension builds in a horror movie. As a young girl approaches a closed door, there is a scratching sound coming from behind the door. When she opens it, a cat comes out. Anybody who would listen to the beginning of this part of the paragraph would imagine that this is a horror movie and the door is closed. There is a scratching sound heard. Obviously something dangerous would be over there. But since this is an example of anticlimax, in this entire thing anticlimax has been used, so the effect is reduced and it is mentioned a cat comes out. Nothing horrible but something very humorous. A cat comes out.